This isn't your typical detail shop. When it comes to cleaning, correcting, and protecting your vehicle, we are the professionals. We are Chicago Auto Pros.
Welcome back to the Chicago Auto Pros Detailing Vlogs, everybody. You just saw the final results of the 2019 BMW M2 competition. We wrapped the entire front bumper in paint protection film, and the interior and exterior got coated with Modesta's line of ceramic coating. Quick update for you of what's going on in the shop. The Ford Shelby GT350 that we wrapped the entire front clip in paint protection film has to get the sealant put on it. We have a Buick Grand National that we're doing a full paint correction, and it's going to get Modesta's BC08 entry-level coating on it. Oscar's been polishing that paint out for about 2 days. The paint protection film guys were here late last night. They finished up the Audi RS3, which is going to go to the detail guys, and they're going to do some light correction. That's going to get Crystal Serum Ultra put on the paint surfaces. And then we have two cars that are ready to be prepped this morning, the F350 and the Jaguar F-pace. So let's get to it. Actually had a chance to sit down with Michael, the customer of the Jaguar F-pace, and he kind of had a bad experience before he brought the car to us. The car was in another detail shop, and it was there for like 2 weeks. And the guy kept on giving him the runaround, actually called Michael and said, hey, you know, before we do this ceramic coating, we're actually gonna have to do some wet sanding. It's gonna take a lot of work to get the correction done on this paint before we can do this. And luckily, Michael had enough intuition to say, hey, that doesn't sound right. He gave us a call, brought the car to us, we inspected it, and honestly, it doesn't look that bad. It's a brand new car. It has some swirls, it has some scratches, and that's pretty normal when you have a new car. But the detailer wanted to wet sand it because it has orange peel, which is 100% on most cars, 100% normal. They're gonna have orange peel, you're gonna see this. And wet sanding factory OEM paint, there's just too much risk involved in doing this. Even if you do get all the orange peel out without burning the paint, you're gonna end up with really thin clear coat that is probably going to prematurely fail down a couple years down the road because it is so thin. It's just not a good idea to wet sand factory OEM clear coat. There's too many risks involved. Wet sanding should only be done on cars that have been repainted where it's thick enough where you can safely cut the clear and not have to worry about burning edges or burning the paint or having really thin clear coat. Now that the F350 and the Jaguar are all prepped, Juan's gonna start polishing both these cars. We're gonna do the F350 first because that's gonna go over to the paint protection film guys, and they're doing the front bumper in XPEL paint protection film, and then he'll jump over to the Jaguar.
So we got a Ford F350 Platinum in here. The window tinters did their thing. We got window tint on all the windows, including the windshield. Now we have to do our thing. The guy wants a front bumper. The kit they gave us had too many seams in it. We don't like that. We have to do it custom, make it seamless. Let's get to work.
The GT 350 is going out this afternoon, so we have Gerardo, our shop foreman, putting a sealant on there. Formerly known as Menzerna paint sealant, it is now called Jescar Power Lock. This is a great sealant. It's going to last twice as long as any Carnauba wax out there, and in my opinion, it's going to give it a much better shine too. The Grand National is getting Modesta's entry-level coating, which is BCO8. This is a 2 to 3 year coating, and it's not going to last as long and it's not as durable as the Pro coatings, but it's still going to leave behind that incredible gloss. This vehicle is getting the full exterior package, which means we're going to be taking off the rims, coating those, and we're also going to coat all the glass. The GT 350 is done and it's E-Man approved. have a lot of big projects going on in the shop today, but along with it, we have a lot of little stuff that's going on too. The tinters have 3 cars. They tinted a VW Golf, a Subaru WRX, and they did a Jeep this morning. Gerardo did some headlight restoration on an older Mercedes, and after the guys got done with the F350, they pulled in a Chevy Traverse, brand new car, that's getting the full front clip, which means all the fenders, the hood, the front bumper, and the mirror caps are gonna be done with paint protection film. The before and afters on this Grand National are absolutely amazing, and I gotta be honest with you, I'm a little surprised because when this car came in, it had a lot of swirl marks, had a lot of scratches, but it turned out beautiful. I'm very happy with the results, and I think the customer likes the results too.
We got the car a good 10 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. Only 24,000 miles in it right now. We got the original sticker price. We got a binder full of competitions it's been in, trophies it's won. My name is Edgar Martinez, and this is my 87 Grand National. So we're third owners from the car already. We still got the original tires and everything in the garage. I brought it to Chicago Auto Pros because well, I heard from them online, and I saw that they did pretty nice work with pretty nice cars. So I brought a Mustang that I have. First, I really liked how they did all the work on it and everything, and I decided to bring the Grand National as well.
Are you happy with the work?
I'm super happy. Great work. The car looks brand new.
Martinez just finishing up the final polishing on the RS3. I think he's actually going to ceramic coat it tomorrow. It is getting late, but I want to thank you guys for watching these vlogs. I hope you like the new format that we're trying to do. You know, it's kind of like a project car. We're always working on it, tweaking it, trying to make it a little better. Never really finished. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe below, and we'll see you next time.
On the next episode,